I have a bit of a love-hate relationship with this book, Crucial Conversations, Tools for Talking When the Stakes Are High. I've used it in my workshops for years and years and years. It is by Patterson, Grenny, McMillan et al. And while it is the go-to text for most people for having challenging or difficult conversations, sometimes I just feel it's a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. I also did a 2-day workshop on crucial conversations, my first workshop that I paid for myself after I left government education. And I remember way back then, in 10 or so years ago, it cost me almost $3,500 to go. And it was $3,500 in 2 days I'll never get back. However, the book is well loved. I actually prefer the newsletter list that they send out, the newsletter that they send out, because there's often some really great tips and tricks just in bite-sized pieces. This just feels a little bit overwhelming. However, I do teach from it. The ideas are great. Processes like making it safe, the understanding that there are different types of conversations, ways of transforming those feelings of anger and hurt into kind of a powerful dialogue. It's good. It probably should be in your toolkit, but if you find it hard going, you're not alone.